You have to hold yourself to a higher standard. Stay tuned, traders. We'll be right back. Good day, traders. Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Wet, post-rainy morning in Perth. I think the sun's going to be out again today. But today, talking about holding yourself to a higher standard. One of the things that trading requires of you is that you are willing to have an unquenchable desire to want to improve and keep learning and keep improving. Now, like Mark Douglas talks about, you don't really need to know anything at all to make money in the markets, but you need to know something if you want to make it consistently. And the biggest challenge to retail traders, and one of the main reasons that I think 99% of retail traders fail, is that they do all the things over again as an individual that self-sabotage, that professional traders, that algorithms don't do. So they get emotional, they get impulsive, they'll repeat the same mistakes over and over again due to impatience, frustration, anger, all the little things that will cause irrational behavior in the markets. We talk about journaling and goal setting, accelerating your learning, and if you haven't done so, go to my homepage, download the 7-step daily routine for high performance traders. This is what will help you to create the daily habits, the daily routines that will help you over the longer term to develop that confidence, discipline, and a winning mindset. Every single day, the market teaches you something. It's going to come at you in different ways, shapes, and forms. And a lot of retail traders don't have the patience or the wherewithal to just start small and really forge and harden their skills through the market on a day after day after day basis. I've talked about doing that, using micro lots and forcing myself to trade every single day initially until I figured things out. But when you do things like that, you start to unlock new doors of learning. Things will come into your, stratosphere that will help you learn and identify what's happening in the markets. I talked about getting the free course on the M's and W's and market structure. It's a free course. There's no catches, no gimmicks. You have to understand how the Forex market works. You can use basic technical analysis and that will help you. But if you really want to get to the next level, that course will help you. Then we talk about time of day. Those patterns show up specifically, usually at those times of days. Market opens, because that's when the market is going to do its reversals, its continuations. It's going to do the things where it's going to stop hunt. Those stop hunts are designed to spook out weak positions. It's designed to capture money that's sitting there on the other sides of their orders. But when you start to identify with that, taking notes, when you talked about reading the Kirk report, one of the most powerful things that he said he ever learned was to take and write one sentence every single day about what he learned in the market. And I'm going to tell you, if you're not learning something every single day, you're not looking hard enough, because there's a lesson every single day. I've been trading almost 20 years. And I pay a lot of attention to detail now, and I'm still learning things every single day. I have a mantra. I talk to one of my best friends every single day. We're on the phone. We're going through the charts from the previous session. And that mantra is, got to get better every day. Got to get better. Got to get better. Got to get better. But only you can keep yourself accountable to that. You have to hold yourself to a higher standard. You have to become the trader that you want to become, whatever that requires, whatever that is for you. there's little things. Sometimes it's not like my, this close friend of mine said, he goes, I got to work hard. And I said, no, you don't have to work harder. You just need to do the things that you know that you need to do, and stop doing the other things that you know you shouldn't do. Hold yourself to that standard. Once we get off the phone, once you're on the charts, once you're doing your own thing, it's you who's making all those decisions. It's you who's clicking the mouse. It's you who's deciding to get into the trade. It's you who's deciding to where to place your stop, or move your stop, or not use a stop at all, or take too much leverage, or to get out too soon, or to set a target, when to go to break even. Only you can make those decisions. So hold yourself accountable to the highest standard that you see at this particular time for yourself. Keep it simple. Do the little things that are going to help you improve every single day. 3 push patterns, M's and W's, pullbacks, highs and lows, daily highs and lows, little things that, let the market tell you when it's time to get in. Don't try to get in and finesse trades out of the market. Hold yourself accountable to a higher standard. So hopefully you got some value from today's video, traders. Again, as I said, get the free course. It's it's got to be 3-4 hours at least. But there's some gold nuggets in there that will help you become a better trader. And if you keep doing those little things daily, you're going to keep improving. You're going to keep getting to that point where you're just going to open new doors, and the sky's the limit. This is a tough game, but it's winnable. It's winnable. You can take pips out of the market every single day. Stay disciplined, stay focused, keep getting better, and may the markets go with you.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.